You're watching Minity Maths. In this video we are going to learn all about the 8 times table. But we're not just memorizing numbers. Let's explore the 8 times table in a way that helps you really understand. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly maths videos. So let's start by looking at this number line, and where the 8 times table appears within it. Have a look at these and see if you can notice anything. How have we got from one number to the next? You may have noticed that we are actually just adding 8 each time. We start with 0 and add 8, this is 1 times 8. We then add another 8, which is 2 times 8, as we have 2 lots of 8. In other words, we have added 2 lots of 8 to 0. Multiplication is really just repeated addition. Let's look at 32, which is 8 times 4. We have repeatedly added 8, 4 times. Now, try spotting the next couple of multiples of 8 on the number line and see if you can follow the pattern. Have a look at these dots. What if someone asked you to count them as fast as you could? Have a think about how you could do this. Well, you could always count each dot one by one, but that wouldn't necessarily be the quickest way. You may have noticed that we can split the dots up into groups of 8. So we have 6 groups of 8 dots, that's 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. As this is repeated addition of 8, we can simply say we have 6 times 8 dots. Let's count the dots in 8s. So in total we have 48 dots. 6 times 8 is 48. Can you see how counting up in 8s is quicker than counting each dot one by one? Even quicker so is knowing, and understanding, the 8 times table. But is 6 times 8 the same as saying 8 times 6? Pause the video and have a think about it. Yes, 8 times 6 is the same as 6 times 8. It doesn't matter what order we perform multiplication in, the answer will always be the same. Have a look at these creatures. Can you work out how many arms and legs there are in total, without counting each one individually? As we have 5 creatures here, each with 8 arms or legs, we have 5 times 8 limbs. So there are 40 arms and legs in total. Now have a go at these practice questions, using what you know about the 8 times table. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Minity Maths. Check out the channel for more maths videos.